If you've noticed your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC is lagging or running slow, you might be dealing with high RAM, CPU, or disk usage. Today, I'll walk you through some effective solutions to try to fix these issues. Let's dive in. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to see what's consuming resources. So let's right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Here, you can see the Processor tab. Click on the CPU, memory, or disk to sort by the highest, and let's look for any application using excessive CPU, memory, or disk space. If you spot something unusual like this one, right-click on it, select End Task, and that should close it. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to disable all the unnecessary startup programs. So let's click on the Startup tab in the Task Manager. Click on the status column to sort everything by enabled, and right-click on any program you don't need at startup and select disable. This will help speed up your boot time and reduce resources usage. The next thing we're going to do is to free up some disk space. So let's type disk cleanup in the search bar and open the application. Select the drive you want to clean up, which is usually the C drive, and click on OK. Then check the boxes for all the files you want to delete. I'll select everything and hit OK. Again, this will help reduce disk space and speed up your PC. Now, sometimes high resources usage can also be a sign of malware. So let's do a quick scan to make sure the system is clean. Open the Windows Security by searching for it in the taskbar and open it. And go to Virus and Threat Protection and click on the Quick Scan. And that will make sure your system is clean to prevent any unnecessary resources drain. Another thing is keeping your system up to date, which is crucial. So let's go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. And make sure to install any available updates. If you're experiencing high RAM usage, your system may be using virtual memory to compensate for the lack of available physical memory. Now, adjusting the size of your virtual memory can help improve performance, especially for resources-intensive applications such as video editing software or games. To adjust the virtual memory, let's open File Explorer and right-click on this PC and select Properties. This opens the System window, where you can view basic information about your computer. Just make note of how much RAM you have. In my case, I have 32 GB. Click on the Advanced System Settings link here. Under the Advanced tab in the Performance section, click on Settings button, and this will open the Performance option window. Go to the Advanced tab under Virtual Memory, click on Change button, and this will open the Virtual Memory window where you can see the current settings for the paging file size. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drivers. This will allow you to manually set the size of the virtual memory. Choose the drive where Windows is installed, which is usually the C drive. Choose Custom Size, and for the initial size, enter 1.5 times the amount of RAM you have. In my case, I have 32 GB, so times 1.5, that would be 48. And for the maximum size, enter 3 times the amount of RAM you have. So in my case, 32 times 3 is 96. Click Set, then OK, and close the Virtual Memory, Performance option, and System Property windows. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And finally, let's check for system file errors. From the search bar, let's type CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as an administrator. In the command prompt window, let's type sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files that might be affecting your performance. It will take a few minutes so just be patient. And there you have it. These tips should help you manage the high RAM, CPU, and disk usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.